What's up guys, Saber Speed 77 here, back from the dead, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how to get custom pieces and a custom board for chess.com. So here is my guest Chrome tab, and if you already know how to inject custom CSS and JavaScripts, then you could follow this link and you could set it up on your own. But in this tutorial I'm gonna show the noobs how to do it. Well, I'm not really that good at coding myself, but yeah. Anyways, so first, go to this URL. It's in the description as well. It says install with stylish, so you need the stylish extension. You just click it here. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, as I said, paste this URL in. It says install with stylish. We go in, add to Chrome, add, and we have it installed. But we still didn't install the style, so we have to go back to the URL. And now we install it, as you can see. So go to chess.com, and if you go to your extensions, you will see stylish. And then if you go to my styles here, you'll see that our script is right here, and in it we see all this code. Don't worry about it. All you guys gotta worry about is change this URL to the URL of the image that you want to use. And if you're not using if you're not trying to change the particular piece or the background, then just delete it, or else it's gonna load a blank because it doesn't exist. See, in this URL I redirect to my YouTube channel, so you just want to get rid of that and type in the URL of your image. Also, if you have like a local file that you want to upload, maybe upload that to a Google Drive and then put it in, or convert it to base 64. I showed how to do that in the chess tutorial. Um, Also make sure you have this important tag right here, because it's not really gonna load if you don't have it. So might wanna keep that in mind. Okay guys, so I'm back. I swapped in all the proper images, and if you look, let's reload this. If you reload, you could see that all the PNGs that I did change, they changed, right? Now, the issue is that, as you can see on the main menu, it's not changing up here. Why? Because this is a unique component, so it's not gonna, the CSS won't apply to it. It's actually really hard to do with the CSS, so what I did is I created a JavaScript file to actually style that. So what you guys want to do is go to the second URL, and I see you guys need to install Violet Monkey or Temper Monkey. I use Temper Monkey, so go here, add to Chrome, bada bing bada boom. Okay, get out of here. Install the script, reload it, install the script, install. Did it install? Let's see. Okay, it says that it's installed, so it should be installed. Yeah, it is, because you'll see this red tick here, and it's installed. Now go into the script, click edit, and if you can see, all the pieces are listed here. You don't need to delete any of these codes. If you're using a piece, just put in the URL and it's gonna change it. And also for the background right here. So wipe on, copying it in, black pawn, copying it in as well. and our background. And this into the background. Okay. Now Control S, save it, save it. See, operation completed successfully. Remember to save. Now if you reload, see there's a delay, but it finally loads. So there you guys have it. Custom board. Of course we have ads, but it works. So what more can I say? Of course, if you go to any of these special, oh, where the hell is it? Uh, well, if there's like a daily game or some shit, it's not gonna update for that. But yeah, 4-player variants. Of course, that's not gonna work because look at it. Look at this element, man. It's by ID. It's hard. It's like very hard to style. Yeah. With JavaScript, I would not recommend styling it. I only did so for the home page because pieces aren't moving. You know, it just adds consistency. But there you guys have it. That's how you get custom pieces for chess.com. If you like the video, like, subscribe, even though I barely post any videos, but somebody asked me to do this, so why not, right? Alright guys, peace.